welcome to TJK Shares, ladies and gentlemen. This is another beautiful day God has given us. Let us praise and rejoice in it. I shared a nugget that spoke about hygiene, and that nugget has triggered lots of DMs, lots of direct messages, lots of WhatsApp messages. People asking me, what are you talking about? I know they know what I mean. I know many of you who sent me this know what I mean. So the team at TJK decided that we would do an episode on hygiene. When we speak of hygiene, we are talking about really the general cleanliness around your body, your surroundings. But since I spoke directly about the body, let me tell you that maintaining good hygiene involves adopting consistent practices to keep yourself and your surroundings clean. There are so many ways we can do this. It doesn't matter where you live, how you live. It doesn't matter how much money you have. Cleanliness is essential. It's good for your body. It's good for your surroundings. And it's even better for people who are around you. I have spoken so many times to different people that actually when you smell bad, you give people a bad vibe around you. People will avoid you being around you because of even smelling bad. And this is fun. Sometimes we just think if you do and you don't smell your armpits or you get a shot and shake it and it's okay. But the fact is, you can never smell yourself. But let's talk about general hygiene, starting with your hands. If you wash your hands constantly, and when we talk about washing, the general medical recommended hand washing requires you to use soap and do it for 20 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1005. 20 seconds gives you a good wash. You can Google more about hand washing and see what is recommended. But especially hand washing after using the bathroom. Call it toilet, call it restroom. There are so many words that are used around the world. So you go to the toilet. When you are done using the toilet, whether you peed or you did number 2, wash your hands. We teach this to the children. After you eat your food, wash your hands. When you've coughed, and many people cough, then go, "Hi, Jackson." When you cough or sneeze, wash your hands. After COVID, we have a new term we can use sanitizer. So you can use sanitizer, you can use water with soap to wash your hands, and there are lots of videos you can watch about this and its importance. When you wash your hands, you prevent diseases and germs going around. And for my men, brothers, and young people, you go pee, hold your thing, pee, come out, all the germs on it. You've been sweating, come, you don't wash your hands, and then you meet somebody like, "Hi, how are you doing, man? It's been a while." When you go to greet somebody and they kind of say, hey, they are telling you, "Please, I don't want to attract germs. I don't want to touch germs. Wash your hands." Let's talk about oral hygiene. Oral hygiene, brush your teeth at least twice a day with toothpaste. If possible, floss your teeth. Take that little thing and remove the food that is stuck between the teeth. And if you can visit the dentist, many people might not be able to do this, but brushing, even when you live in the most tiniest village ever, you can get a cartouche. To the Havana, we would take the cartouche stick and brush our teeth. We didn't have Colgate and all these different types of toothpaste, but my mom taught us as children, bathe, wash your body every day, brush your teeth akati kamino kino kahanikira mu ddirisa haliyo mu budongo. We did it. So there's no excuse here, or who has the money, who doesn't have the money. Hygiene is essential. And when I make these comments, I'm not talking about people around the world far away from here. Here in the United States, ladies and gentlemen, we have people who do not brush their teeth, who do not take a shower. You have a shower in the house, you have a closet with clothes. They don't take the shower, they choose to just go nasty smelling to other people in. Yeah. You go on an airplane and you sit next to the person and going, ooh, what's the smell? That's why I actually love the time we had to wear masks. Even now, I will put on a mask on a plane because sometimes you are shocked by the stench smell that you get from your fellow passengers. Bathing and showering. Okunaba, take a shower. Bathe regularly to keep your body clean and fresh. Use soap shampoo to cleanse your skin and hair. Pay attention to areas that sweat and cause odor. Odor nechinok. ODOR. Under the arms, it sweats a lot. You have hair there, the sweat goes in, and you haven't taken a shower, you're going to smell. Feet, ebijere, hagati y'obukumu between your feet sweats. There is a lot of germs and dirt that will stay there. And for men, again, I'm going to talk about men mostly. We will host a woman here who will talk about cleanliness for women and hygiene. For men, even that shower you take, you need to be able to lift your balls, your testicles, and wash under them. Clean sides, top. Wash your penis, wash your testicles. Make sure everything is clean. That way, when you sweat next time, meaning when you sweat, you will be already clean. And when you take another shower, you clean up even more. That's the part under the testicles that most of the men don't actually end up cleaning. Because you've cleaned your body, you've brushed your teeth, you need to be able to wear clean clothes. Clean clothes, change into fresh attire regularly, every day. This doesn't mean you have to have 100 shirts changing every day. The one you are wearing today, at night, if you have one shirt and that's it, wash it, then iron it if you can, then wear it again. Ebyo ebyokuruga kukola the whole day okahanika esaata ha musumaali nyensakaro kashuba kagiyaho kashuba kagijwara. Leero woyinemu vesti, many of us men wear vests inside our shirts. Oliya naija tukasita vesti ino kugireeba. You get your clean shirt, you put it on top of the vest, you are harboring germs and uncleanness under there, covering it with a white shirt. Kandi kinatwitinga ekinderizo in response to one comment. If you cannot wash your shirt, which is outside and everyone can see, imagine your socks, which nobody sees most of the time. At least socks you can take off your shoes. What about your underwear? Jozo Mchiro, women have a practice of taking a shower, wash their underwear. Men, who? We are going to bring an expert who will go talk about this, but that's what we mean when we say clothing and personal care. Then there is a process of this unhygiene habit. You are coughing, you are in public, the germs are going. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when you are coughing or sneezing, like this. Then elbow and this is covered. No, because your hands, you might not be at a place where you can wash them immediately. And now the germs that have come from here, you can shake somebody's hand and give it to them. And if you cough within a tissue, which I brought one here, hold it and throw it away. Abakatambaala bwabifunizaamu kagiroota abakatube tukire kirekyo. But given the opportunity, use the elbow or use your handkerchief and then wash it at the end of the day. When we speak of hygiene, we also have food hygiene. Ebyokulya fruits, apples. Wagura apple, wash them, please. Vegetables, wash them thoroughly before you eat them. When you practice safe food handling, it also includes proper cooking, but that is another topic completely off outside the body we are talking about. There is also water, safe water practices to make sure that you are drinking good, safe water that goes in your body to keep it. The environment where you live needs to be clean. In your living room, in your bedroom, surfaces, floors, cleanliness right there helps you to get the mindset of stepping out in a clean environment. Then for women, there is personal and menstrual hygiene. There is foot hygiene, washing and cleaning. There is regular checkups that you can do with your doctor if you are using something that's not working. And then we have our mental health hygiene, which includes mental well-being practices and stress management. But again, this was triggered by body hygiene. You've taken your shower, you've put on your vest, clean vest, put on a clean shirt. I'm talking about men. You've put on clean pants. That's on top of clean underwear, clean socks. Your shoes are good, brushed, and you walk out of the way, out of the house or wherever you're coming from, apartment, wherever. You feel good about yourself when you are clean. And the people surrounding you, interacting with you, also will appreciate a clean person in front of them. Okay, somebody's going to go, Jackson, you live in the United States or educated, or Harvard, all these things, you are just saying them because of privilege. No, sir, no, ma'am. My mother, Janet Kaguri, raised 5 children. Mom never went to school, but she was the cleanest woman you can meet. She made sure if I left school, Zoroma Primary School, got home in my one pair of uniform, khakis and white shirt, the minute I arrive home, take off the shirt or take maybe the rags that you would wear to go take care of goats. She will wash your uniform, have it ironed. Next day you go to school, you are clean. Deodorant was not even a thing. A soap is not there, you still bathed. A plant and papaya leaves, which you squeeze and make foam and still clean your body. There's no way you would go to bed without taking a shower, without taking a bath, because the water would be in a basin, you take your shower. So teach your children, teach your siblings. Some of you don't have people like those to remind you or to teach you those things, you young people, which is why we have this now sharing it. And don't be shy to talk about it. If you have a friend and they smell, you owe them an advantage to talk to them about it. Some people don't know. And I tell you, I live in the United States. I have so many people you will never think or even suspect that don't take showers. Just a little bit of tissue, wet tissue. They are done. And they end up stinking, smelling in the middle of the day. So there is your hygiene lesson. Thank you for coming. Thank you for listening. Share, subscribe. The best is yet to come. Put more comments and we'll find you experts who can expound and talk more about this subject. That's your hygiene lesson. You got this. The best is yet to come.